Today's content reveals that the iPad mini 7 is back and more powerful than ever. The iPad mini has consistently been a crowd favorite due to its unbeatable blend of portability and robust performance. Compact enough to slip into your hand, yet powerful enough to manage tasks like a full-sized iPad, this device has earned its place as the go-to for tech lovers craving the best of both worlds. As we move toward the end of 2024, Apple is primed to elevate the iPad mini lineup even further with the much-anticipated release of the iPad mini 7. This latest iteration promises exciting enhancements such as a more advanced processor, upgraded memory, and superior battery efficiency. Let's dive deep into everything the iPad mini 7 is set to bring to the table. A legacy of power meets portability. A look back at the 2021 iPad mini. Before jumping into the new and improved version, it's essential to revisit the evolution of this beloved device. The 2021 iPad mini, with its A17 chip, set the stage for delivering a performance punch within a compact frame. Borrowing the same processor from the iPhone 13, this iteration excelled in tasks ranging from casual web surfing to resource-intensive applications like gaming, 4K video streaming, and even editing. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display was a standout feature, offering users vivid colors, sharp clarity, and a responsive interface, all without the bulk of its larger counterparts. Apple's decision to ditch the home button and extend the display to the edges brought a fresh, modern feel to the device, aligning it with the design aesthetics of the iPad Air and iPad Pro series. Despite its compact form factor, the iPad mini still packed a punch with a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording in 4K, making it a versatile tool for casual photographers and content creators alike. However, as great as the 2021 model was, the iPad mini 7 is set to redefine what we know about compact tablets. iPad mini 7, what's coming in 2024? Apple's mantra for its mini lineup has always been clear: provide users with a smaller, more portable device without sacrificing high-end performance. With the release of the iPad mini 7, Apple stays true to this vision while introducing game-changing enhancements. If you were hoping for a radical redesign, the iPad mini 7 might seem familiar at first glance. Apple appears to be sticking with the sleek, slim profile that users have come to love, maintaining the same size and form factor as the 2021 model. However, this is far from a bad thing. The modern, edge-to-edge design and lightweight build make it one of the most portable and ergonomic devices in the tablet world.